Speedway presents NBA Hangtime. The Washington Bullets versus the Denver Nuggets. They're in the zone. Here's the tip-off. Terrible shot. Buckeye grabs the ball. From the wing. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Nuggets leading by 2. Buckeye goes up. He shoots. Good for 2. Wheeling and dealing. Leans away. He couldn't hit the backside of a barn. Serious hang time. He's lighting it up. He passes it. McDice. Fade. Drop it. McDice takes it off the glass. Push to the floor. Takes it to the hoop. Nuggets have possession. McDice blocked it. To he tries through a lob pass. Goes one off the rim. Buckeye leans in. And it holds out. McDice goes up, plays it up. Rejected. Howard takes it off the glass. Buckeye goes up. Oh, tomahawks it home. McDice raises up, plays it up. He's got skills. Buckeye. He glides through the lob pass. McDice. Oh, a lob pass. Boom shakalaka. Buckeye. McDice. Buckeye got it away in time. No good. To Ellis. Rejected. Buckeye goes up. There's the alley-oop. McDice. Into the stands he goes. Oh, stolen. McDice. Fades. Ellis. Leans away. Yes. Wheeling and dealing. Ugly shot. He couldn't hit the backside of a barn. With a hand in his face. Good shot. Buckeye. Oh. He scoops to his teammate. A pass. Took him out. Oh. Buckeye. McDice. Get that out of here. Buckeye. Stolen. Goes up. Juwan Howard. Washington leading by 6. Again with a shot. Smoking. Buckeye. 1 minute to go. Raises up. Buckeye. Hammered it. Behind the three-point arc. He couldn't hit the backside of a barn. Wheeling and dealing. Forced the shot up. Away to the side. A spin and a drive. Howard goes up. Juwan Howard. McDice. Leans. Scores. McDice. Stops and pops. Got it away in time. No good. We're at halftime. The halftime leader is Buckeye.
Yeah, what you gonna do when I come through there? Yeah.
It's showtime. He catapult. Amazing. Spinning to the hole. He goes flying. Did you see that? Wheeling and dealing. Buckeye. From long range. Swish. Wheeling and dealing. Serious hang time. McDice. Goes up. There's teamwork. Buckeye. For the jam. Washington leading by 4. Took him out. McDice. From 18. Hits the jumper. Buckeye. Ugly knocked. McDice. He passes it. Took him out. Took McDice from long range. He scores. Buckeye goes up. Thunderous dunk. Passes. Oh, tomahawks at home. Wheeling and dealing. Buckeye raises up. Motumbo. Oh, 1 minute to go. Wheeling and dealing. Buckeye raises up. There's the alley-oop. To McDice. McDice. He scoops to his teammate. Buckeye. Oh, Rama Lama Ding Dong. McDice raises up. Yes. Wheeling and dealing. He flies through the air. McDice. It's good. Wheeling and dealing. Buckeye for 3. A tray. High game. Motumbo. He glides through the air. He's heating up. To McDice. Takes it to the hoop. Buckeye. Oh, he's on fire. McDice. Oh, boom shakalaka. Buckeye. Goes Buckeye. Oh, man. Bullets lead by 4. Took him out. Oh, he's heating up. Motumbo. Off the front of the rim. Buckeye. Stolen. Passes. For 3. Off the side of the rim. Buckeye. From the post. He's on fire. Bullets lead by 8. To McDice. To McDee goes to the hoop. Nuggets behind by 6. He flies through the air. Quick hands. Motumbo. Wheeling and dealing. He guns it way up in the air. He pulls one off the rim. Buckeye. Serious passes it. Hammered it. Hawkeye. He goes to the hoop. Hawkeye. Oh, again with a shot. He drains it. Hawkeye. Oh, man. Got it away in time. No good. The Washington Bullets win the game. The player of the game is Hawkeye.
NBA Hangtime.
Midway presents NBA Hangtime. The San Antonio Spurs versus the Golden State Warriors. They're in the zone. Here's the tip-off. Willis. Smoking. Dealing and dealing. Oh, he scoops to his teammate. Took him out. Way up in the air. Hawkeye. Tosses it. Oh, Kevin Willis. Hawkeye. Goes up. Pass. There's the alley-oop. Willis. Oh, jams it. Wheeling and dealing. Goes up. David Robinson. Crosses it. To Smith. Oh, rejected. Robinson. Oh, amazing. Spurs lead by 3. Smith. Took him out. Oh, he's lighting it up. Willis. Behind the three-point arc. Good for 3. Golden State catching up. He goes flying. Hawkeye. Took him out. Pump fake. Hawkeye fades away. One minute to go. To Smith. Swish. Hawkeye. Hawkeye. Nothing but the bottom of the net. San Antonio leading by 5. He passes with the rainbow. Good for 2. Intercepted. He shoots. He misfires. Forced a shot. He's lighting it up. Dealing and dealing. Hawkeye. Way up in the air. He scoops to his teammate. Smith got it away in time. Can't buy a bucket. Hawkeye shoots. Smith. Willis on the top of the circle. Good for 2. Warriors behind by 1. Goes up. There's the alley-oop. Willis. Smith with a hand in his face. He scores. Hawkeye. Knocked to the deck. Into the stands he goes. Hawkeye. To Smith. Oh, rejected. Hawkeye. Takes it to the hoop. Willis. Oh, forced the shot up. Great shot. Wheeling and dealing. Goes up. Oh, Buckeye. Boom. To Willis. Bad pass. Robinson. He's lighting it up. To Willis. The fake. From outside. Amazing. Warriors down by 3. Oh, 1 minute to go. Willis. Again with a shot. Off the front of the rim. Hawkeye. Serious hangtime. He's lighting it up. Took him out. Goes Hawkeye. Grabs the rock. He guns it. Again with a shot. Scores. Hawkeye. Took him out. To Robinson. There's the alley-oop. Willis. Got it away in time. That shot stunk. We're at halftime. The halftime leader is Hawkeye.
Yeah, what you gonna do when I come through
It's showtime. Goes up. He flies through the air. He's gun dealing and dealing. Flagrant. Hawkeye. He's lighting it up. The steal. Rejected. Baseline leaner. Swish. Cycling. Through the air. Incredible. Hawkeye. Spinning to the hole. Way up in the air. Stolen. Cycling. Forced the shot up. Way off target. Hawkeye. Fires the jumper. Good. Cycling. From the three-point arc. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Hawkeye. Oh, Hawkeye. Spurs. Leading by 30. The ball is loose. Robinson. Cycling. Smoking. Hawkeye. To Smith. Baseline leaner. Robinson. Turnover. 1 minute to go. He's heating up. Hawkeye. The steal. To Robinson. Hawkeye. Leans. Off the front of the rim. Smith. He's on fire. Wheeling and dealing. Shoots. Nicely done. Again with a shot. Amazing. Hawkeye. Cycling. Goes up. Spins a shot up. Smith. He goes to the hoop. Ronnie cycling. Hawkeye. A spectacular dunk. He goes flying. Jams it in. Hawkeye. Goes up. Smith grabs the rock. Smith. Goes up. Warriors have possession. He's lighting it up. Hawkeye. Oh, jams it in. High gain. Push to the floor. Blaze it up. Away to the side. Hit baseline leaner. Softly off the glass. Spurs have possession. Robinson. Hawkeye goes up. Push to the floor. Way up in the air. Incredible. Hawkeye. Way up in the air. It's a double dunk. He passes, raises up. David Robinson. Cycling. Hammered it to Robinson. Takes it to the hoop. He's heating up. Put 1 minute to go. Cycling. He passes it. Leans away. Hawkeye. Goes up. David Robinson. From the arc. Away to the side. The steal. Nothing but the bottom of the net. High game. Hawkeye. Finesses it. Incredible. Oh, time running out. Cycling. Hawkeye takes it off the glass. Oh, bad decision. The San Antonio Spurs win the game. The player of the game is Hawkeye.